Hello students, this video is to introduce the first learning activity that we have to complete. In order to explain the first activity, you need to go to your main area in Edmodo and go to Carpetas. Inside Carpetas, you will find different other folders. The one that is called Contenidos del curso, you're going to enter there, and inside that folder you will see three folders referring to the three different activities. You have to enter to the one that is called Actividad Integradora 1. In that folder you will find two files, one PDF and one Word document. The PDF is very important because it shows you all the outline of the first activity. It has an introduction, objectives, etc. The idea is that you all this information, yes, and develop the activity. Here you have all the information. The activity is designing a lesson plan based on the following case. This is a case in which it explains a specific situation of a teacher, the grade, the number of students, their context, etc., etc. And under here you have the sequence. The sequence is the step-by-step process to do the activity. In the first step, you have to go to Future Learn and do all the activities that are in Unit 1 and 2. Go to our Future Learn website. You will see that you have a lot of content here, and this content is the one that is going to allow you to do the activity in order to do the activity. After you check this information, you are going to go to the folder Currículo Sugerido de Inglés. Here you're going to consult two documents, yes? One is here. I'm going to show you where they are, yes? So, as I told you, they are in the Currículo Sugerido de Inglés folder. And you will find many documents. You're going to go to the one called Malla Curricular Bachillerato and Derechos Básicos de Aprendizaje Bachillerato. In those you'll find all the guidelines for the lesson plan. Yes. So here in Malla Curricular Bachillerato, you're going to find the different the sequence that you have to use. From page 42 on, it's the level that it is in this activity, which is grade 6. So you're going to focus on module 1, and here you're going to see all of the module. Yes, it will help you to identify what are you going to do in the lesson plan. And in Derechos Básicos de Aprendizaje, which is our other file, you will see in page 14, yes, you will see the basic learning rights of 6th grade. So here you have all the the competences that the students need to achieve by this level. So it will also give you some ideas on topics that you can choose for your lesson. Okay. After you review all this information about sequence and about the different topics that you are going to develop in your lesson, you're going to select one and then start working on your lesson. Okay. Where are you going to do this lesson? In the same folder that it says Actividad Integradora, there is a template, which is our file. This template is right here, and in here you're going to download it and start working on the template in order to fill all the information. Yes, so the information is content, estándares, objetivos, etc., etc. You already know this template is the one that the Ministry of Education manages. So you need to fill out this information. You need to fill out this information in English. Yes. And after you finish this template, you are going to go back to your Edmodo in an assignment that I'm going to upload later on. The due date, yes, or the deadline for this assignment, May the 3rd by midnight. Okay, careful with that. That is also in your calendar in Edmodo, so you need to keep track of your time. Your calendar, you find it right here in Edmodo. And it says where do you have to deliver this assignment, and I'm going to assign, yes, a space here in messages where you can upload your assignment. Apart from here, you have the resources, some online resources, and the rubric that we're going to use to grade your lesson plan. Okay, basically that's all the information, so I hope that you start working on it, and if you have any question, please let me know. Okay, have a good night.